Welcome, today I'm in front of me CUBOT Max 3 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open settings application and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here ring and notification one panel. To mute your device notifications you should hold and swipe to the left side. There's a blue dot on this panel. But by this way you will mute not only notifications but also ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and you mute only notifications, you should unmute this one panel. Then scroll down to default notification sound and switch your current notification sound just to none. Tap to OK to save the changes, and now by this way we'll mute our device notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.